Hi, this is Donna Crawford with Berkeley Life Nitric Oxide. This is a video about how to use our display in your practice or your pharmacy. So just so you see, in the very front are the boxes of product, which fit really nicely into the front of the display. It fits up to 4 boxes. In the back of the display, you will see these color charts in a business card size. It has the levels from depleted to high, which measures the nitric oxide. This scale will be used after you have tested with our test strips. In order to use the test strips properly, you just open this long ways. Inside you'll find a test strip. Use the test strip. About 10 seconds later, you'll get a readout of whether your nitric oxide is low or if you have adequate nitric oxide. So that's where the test strips go. In the back, you will see this flyer or this display chart. I have put double stick tape on the front, and you'll just peel these stickers off. Then you're going to put this behind the display, and you're just going to stick it onto the back of the display, just like that. So I haven't stuck it on yet, so it's not sticking yet, but you get the idea. So on the display, you'll see there are different applications: blood pressure, circulation, cognitive function, sexual function, immunity. This should give your patients or customers an idea of whether or not nitric oxide could be helpful for them. If you have any questions, please call me at 424-269-1369. Again, 424-269-1369, or you can email me at donna@berkeleylife.com. Thank you.